Assalamualaikum, you're watching Cooking with Sunira. So today I'm gonna make the yummiest chicken mandi, everyone's favorite. Keep watching for the full recipe. To make this dry roast masala, you have to add all these ingredients and make it little brownish, roast it well and grind it and make into a fine powder. Now preparing a masala to marinate the chicken. So you'll need 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, salt to taste, 4 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon, little oil, food color and this grinded mandi masala 2 spoons. Mix it well and leave it overnight or also 2 hours is more than enough. Adding little oil, frying it and also adding little bit of water in a steam. You just have to cover it so that it cooks well and then it's ready. So once it's ready, don't forget to do this barbecue. It adds a very good flavor to it. To make the mandi rice, you'll need 3 onions finely chopped, then 10 to 12 green chilies and add all the remaining mandi masala, red chili powder, turmeric and salt to taste and mix it well and cook it until the flavor comes in. And add 2 chicken stocks. It gives an amazing flavor as we are not adding any chicken in it. After that, add 4 tomatoes that are also very finely chopped and cook it until the oil is extracted. Then adding water according to the rice you're adding. I have added 1 kg of rice, so accordingly you just have to add and bring it to boil and add this basmati rice. So once this is done, arrange all the chicken and the rice and make sure you keep something in the middle to have this flavor of the coal. So this is main in the mandi. You have to burn the coal and add some oil to get the smoky flavor of it. So leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then your mandi is done. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, your Mrs. Ashik. Thank you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Here's the recipe of mandi chutney. So the detailed video is coming soon. Just grind everything together. Thank you.